Hello, this video is about my personal experience with Instasmile. I am Kendy Bliss Beauty of blissbeautyandglitter.com. I am a beauty enthusiast, a small business owner, and also a mother, a wife, a sister, a friend. So this video is a follow-up video about my Instasmile experience. So, as you all can tell, I have the Tetracycline teeth. I was one of those kids that was affected by the tetracycline antibiotics. And so, growing up, I understood the importance of having, beautiful white teeth and just a beautiful smile in general. So, I decided to buy Instasmile because I wanted something, that was effective, comfortable, and useful. So I did research initially when I started my journey of finding something. And it wasn't the fact that I wasn't comfortable in myself, but I just wanted something that could give me this beautiful transformation and also can be cost effective. So veneers, as you all know, the porcelain veneers can cost from to do like an entire teeth can cost from 1,000 per teeth to $800 per teeth, and we're talking close to $15,000 to $20,000. If you go out of country, it might be cheaper. But anyways, I decided to purchase. It was actually in 2017, the Insta Smile, and boy, was I glad I did. So far, so good. I've been able to take amazing pictures when I go out with friends, when I go to be a wedding, club, church. I've been able to take amazing, beautiful pictures with my Insta Smile. Anyway, let me show you guys the packaging it came with. It came in. And so there's a lot of information on their platform, on their website that you could get to help you better understand. So it comes in this packaging. That's the final product. So they initially send you a mold, you do the cast, and send it back to the company. And when the final product comes, it's an amazing, beautiful product. I actually purchased the platinum. I mean, it's the platinum, the whitest white they have for myself. And I wanted something that is comfortable, like I mentioned before, and also affordable and useful as well. So this is the packaging that it came in. That's the packaging. And here is the final product. As you guys can see, my teeth, because of the tetracycline discoloration, is just butterscotch color. And so I have lived with this teeth in my mouth comfortably, confidently, till this product came along for a decade now. So here's the product itself. And like I said before, I have the platinum white, the platinum white. And so this is the top. That's the top fitting teeth, and this is the bottom teeth. And it comes in this beautiful package, clear white, and it's a case, and you can keep the product in there. So I am going to put in my teeth now, just to let you guys see how the transformation, effortless transformation is. So this is the top teeth, and you can see it right there. The fitting is perfect. As long as you do the molding properly, it comes out amazing. And this is the bottom part. You make sure you get in the real good. And that's it. You can see the transformation is almost instant. And so my experience so far, so good. And I do every now and then experience a little bit of lips effect to it. And also keep in mind, I also have a tiny little bit of an open bite. But so far, so good. I am getting used to wearing it because the more you wear it, the better it gets. So you can see the top and the bottom. Amazing investment. If you're thinking about purchasing the Instasmile, I will definitely tell you to give it a go. It's worth every penny, every penny. And as you can see, the lips effect is there, but it's a beautiful white teeth, and that's the end result. And I love it. Thanks for watching. You guys have an amazing day, and that's my Instasmile experience. Bye.